taco?
I guess right here. That was in there? Oh!
You guess right here?
Was that in there?
Tasha, I'm finna bing bong your upside your goddamn forehead with this mother. Where my tacos at, my dog?
I don't know. I didn't know Taco Bell had Scooby snacks. I had no idea. What's up, BT gang? It's your girl Tasha back with another freaking banger, y'all. I know y'all read that title. I know y'all saw that thumbnail. I know that y'all know that today your girl about to get that ass, y'all. Today I'm about to be getting Brock with replacing my fiance's Taco Bell with the dog bone, y'all. It is about to be a freaking banger. Team Tasha down in the comment section below. I need y'all to like, comment, share, subscribe if you are new on the road to 200K. So smash it one time for your girl. Also make sure y'all smash that post notification bell so you don't miss none of the freaking bangers. You gotta make the bell go ring, ding, dong, hey, ring, goody, ding, ding, dong. Smash the bell, y'all, and post notification gang. Post notification shout outs go to Erica Spearman. They officially love Kayla, Stephanie Johnson, Mississippi, and Kim Stripling. Thank y'all so much for showing us so much love down in the comment section below. We truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. And if you would like a shout out in an upcoming video, just make sure your post notifications are set to on and you are hashtagging post notification gang down in the comment section below. Now let me tell you what your girl finna do. So look, we are currently at Taco Bell. Brock is back there at the smoke shop, y'all. Your girl got a dog bone the other day because I've been waiting to do something to that ass, and it's just lining up perfectly. So I went ahead and got me some Taco Bell. I'm going to chow down on my Taco Bell. But I got Brock a dog bone. He ain't getting no Taco Bell. He ain't getting no food. He getting this dog bone, y'all.
Bruh.
I'm going to take my food out, y'all. And I'm going to just throw this thing up in there. And we gonna close her back up. Oh, I ripped the bag a little bit. Damn. Okay. So we are about to get that ass. Team Tasha down in the comment section below and let's get it. Let's go, y'all.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Sauce it up, y'all.
Oh, yo.
They have them?
Yeah, they got it. It's smelling good. It's smelling good.
It's smelling good.
Yeah.
You ain't gonna eat right now?
Huh?
You ain't gonna eat right now?
Yeah, I'm finna eat right now. Oh, they spice my shit up for you, boy. I can't put the stuff on there and dry. Huh? It's good?
No, I got you. Hold on.
You got my shit?
Yeah, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna sauce it up in a second. Hold on.
Okay, to sauce it up and everything for your boy.
I'm hungry.
Oh, I need to get back out of this heat, man.
For real.
Feel good over here.
Oh.
In and out this beat. Oh. Damn, you gonna sauce? You just eating that? Yeah, you can't sauce my shit up right there for your boy.
Let me finish this one now. I'm sauce
Oh, well, damn, he took me faster. I'm hungry, too. I ain't ate all day. You know, you want me fasting for half the day.
Hold on, I was hungry. I was starving, man.
I done lost 1.6 pounds.
Oh!
Your ass sure.
Just in time I ain't sauced your taco.
Exactly.
Boy, if you don't get the bobo up there.
Yeah.
Right there.
That's the bobo. They looking for your ass. They ain't looking for me.
They looking for somebody.
And they looking for your oh, they just pulled when somebody's car stopped in the middle of the street.
Stop.
They just protecting their car by having they lights on.
Okay. One more bite. Oh!
Man.
What?
You just gave me a bite of your shit right there. Like that.
What shit you can wait and sauce your taco up yourself?
You so nice to your boy.
I love you.
I can't tell. You sit over there grabbing up and you were there to sauce my shit up.
Oh!
You're hungry as hell. Your ass over there just eating the whole whole taco on my face.
What's my bad?
I would leave like that. The bed just is soft up.
I usually do. I'm hungry as hell. I'm gonna look real good for you.
I put a little sauce on that. Look at this. Oh, that Taco Bell fire too, though.
Huh?
Yeah, that's Taco Bell. That Taco Bell.
Yeah, that Taco Bell is fire.
That should be hot.
Everything be fresh.
Should be crunchy, don't be stale, the shells.
It don't. At all. And they put a gang of cheese without you asking.
Don't be eating my cheese paper.
What you doing?
What is you doing?
Oh!
What is you doing? Hey, yo, what the f?
What?
Why you eating my taco?
Oh, I forgot I was supposed to be.
You was sitting over there saucing that shit up?
I completely forgot this one was supposed to be for you.
Tasha, are you serious, bro?
Over here now, you might as well parking. Sauce on taco. Here's some sauce.
You look calm. Give me, you ain't no sauce in here?
You ain't gonna pull into the parking space, bro?
I wasn't planning on parking right here, but your ass, you don't want to hook my taco up on me? Damn, your ass tripping, bro. I don't got money to go. Josh, where the fuck my tacos at, my nigga?
Huh?
What the hell is this?
Hold on. Got too much going on in my mouth. Where you get that from? Where you get that?
Where my damn tacos at?
Oh!
You don't hear what the fuck I'm trying to tell your ass?
I don't understand what you asking me.
I asked you, stupid ass, where my damn tacos at 5 times? Where my damn tacos?
I guess right here, nigga. That was in there? Oh!
You guess right here?
Was that in there?
Tasha, I'm finna bing bong your ass upside your goddamn forehead with this motherfucker. Where my tacos at, my dog?
Shit, I don't know. I didn't know Taco Bell had Scooby snacks. Nigga. I had no idea.
Why you got me a goddamn doggy bone?
Oh! What you said?
Bruh. So I'm hungry as fucking your ass over here playing around, bro. It ain't in there!
Oh! Oh, wait.
Why you got me a doggy bone, my bro?
What?
Come on, man. Your ass play too much, man.
Damn, they f***ed up. They gotta do a pork now. They. Oh!
Damn, come on, man.
I know you.
Come on, face you.
What?
I'm not driving back to that motherfucker damn tacos, because your ass playing around. What else supposed to eat now? We ain't got shit to eat at the house.
Here. Eat it. You might like it. It's natural. Say roof. Roof. No.
I want to beat your ass in hell. Stop playing. That shit ain't funny. What am I supposed to eat now?
Huh?
What?
That
We don't have shit to eat at the house.
You do got something to eat. Don't be. Do not be ungrateful. Oh. You got something to eat.
At least you could have gave me a rib bone.
Excuse me. That was
At least
so
you could have
unladylike.
gave me a rib bone.
Man's best friend kind of bone. You my best friend.
So you think I'm supposed to eat this doggy
You
bone?
my best friend.
Touch me again if I bink your shit.
Hey, no. No. Give me a new
Don't touch me again if I bink your shit.
No. Bad doggy. Bad doggy.
Tasha. Don't hit me again. I'm gonna knock your ass out. I'm not playing around. You playing around with my damn food. I'm hangry as fuck. And you wanna try to hit me upside my goddamn head?
Huh?
Why is you playing around with your damn doggy bone?
Shh. Inside voice.
We outside!
Oh! But we inside the car.
You finna be your ass outside the car.
Wait, what?
I'm not calling.
I'm not going nowhere.
Open the door.
No.
Get out my
Why
car.
would I
You
bring
walking
you
home.
out?
You walking home,
You
Tasha.
so ungrateful. You've been such a good boy. I thought you'd want a little treat. You've been so good lately.
Tasha, I told you don't touch me no more. I'm hangry as hell. What don't you understand about being hangry? I'm hangry. I'm hangry as fuck.
Oh.
You playing around with my damn food? You gonna have a doggy bone in that motherfucker? Like what?
It was a meaty one too. Where's that? It looked like it was seasoned good.
Where'd you get that dog? You went to Doggy Taco Bell? Where did you get that from?
They said they had doggy treats.
I smack this shit out your ass. Why is you playing around? Taco Bell did not get that
Yes,
damn
they
doggy
are.
bone.
They mixing the ground beef with the kibbles and bits next to it.
So they gave you your 2 tacos and then they just happened to give me
the doggy
for my
treat.
order and doggy
I
treat.
think they got the order wrong.
Man, you sound dumb as hell. You sound dumb. Get out my car, bro. Get out my car.
Well, I gotta get out.
Cuz we about to go to the store here. Come on, let's go.
Okay, let's
I'm
go.
ready.
You get out first.
Come on. I don't get out first. Get your ass out of the damn car and come open the door for me.
Boy, if you don't, that's a lot of backlip. That's what your doggy name be. Scooby? No, not Scooby. You are goofy like Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo. Clifford. You want to be Clifford the big red dog? No.
Didn't I tell your ass? Don't touch me no more.
I didn't touch you.
Yes, you did. I told your ass don't touch me no more. I don't give a.
I didn't.
I told you don't touch me no more.
Okay,
Why you playing
I'm
around?
not even-
So I got to get the damn
Okay,
car.
look.
Why'd you playing around? Shit, I'm hungry. I'm angry.
That's what you get. That's what you get. Did you play with my food? And you got the nerve to try to be mad at me? It ain't my fault Taco Bell mixed your order up. At least it wasn't me.
Come on, you play games. Find your way home.
Huh?
Find your way home.
You ain't finna leave
I'm
the
walking
car.
home with the key. You
Why
find
would you
your damn
do
way
some
home.
dumb ass shit like that?
Because I don't want to be in the same car with your ass. I'm about to bust your ass over here at the damn doggy bone. That's why. Do that mother shit. You know what I'm saying?
No, you ain't that mad over a motherfucking chalupa. Nigga. He that mad over a chalupa. He mad. Well, I think that went pretty well because he threw my food out the window and I was mad, so now he gotta be mad. Team Tasha down in the comment section below because we came with a freaking banger, a freaking doggy bone for that ass. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. Team Tasha down in the comment section below. Get this video to 1K likes, y'all, and let's go.
Best friend, you're my best friend. I'ma spend it on her 'cause she all